Hey gorgeous, Lois here and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you mga gorgeous kung paano ko nagawa tong makeup look na ito using drugstore makeup products only, and these items or these makeup products are all cruelty-free. So if you want to know how I did this look, just keep on watching. So let's start with the primer. For the primer, I'll be using this Careline Blur Stick. So this is one of the newest products that Careline recently launched. So apply lang natin ito sa ating buong muka. And then I'll just use my fingers to blend everything in. For the foundation, I'll be using this Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation, and I'm in the shade Nude Ivory. I like this one kasi meron na siyang spatula. So this is my shade. Nag-switch ako sa sponge kasi mas madaling i-apply para maging intact yung ating foundation. So for the concealer, I'll be using this Wet n Wild Photofocus in the shade Light Ivory. To set everything in, I'll be using this Everbilena Compact Powder with Vitamin E in the shade Honey. This is my all-time favorite, guys. And for the brows, I'll be using my current favorite, which is from Everbilena. This is the Crisp Brow Liner and Brow Mascara in the shade Beyond Brown. As usual, mga gorgeous, I'll just follow the natural shape of my eyebrows. So let's proceed with the eyes. For my eyeshadow, I'll be using this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette in Nude Awakening. For the transition color, gagamitin ko itong light mocha shade na ito or light cream shade and apply it all over my crease. And I'll be applying this rose gold shade right here. Super ganda nito. And this is how it looks like when you swipe it. It's very pigmented. Then I will apply this shade right here para i-blend lahat ng ating in-apply na eyeshadow colors kanina. Then, I will be applying this color right here sa inner corner na aking eyes. I won't be using any eyeliner. Instead, I'll be using this black shade right here para mag-serve as an eyeliner or merong smoky effect ng konti para ma-open up yung aking eyes. And do not forget to put all the shades na nilagay natin sa ating lids, sa ating lower lash line. So we'll be applying mascara next. So the mascara that I'll be using today is from Wet n Wild as well. This is their XXL Lash Thickening Amplifying Mascara. I'm done with the eyes, so I'll proceed with the contour. So the contour that I'll be using today is also from Wet n Wild. This is their Megaglo Contouring Palette. I have the one in Dulce de Leche at as you can see naman mga gorgeous, basag-basag na ito, but still, I can use it. So this is the one that I'll be using today. So we'll just apply sa hollows ng ating cheeks, sa sides na ating face, sa ating jawline, para ma-define yung ating muka at magmukhang slim ito. And then for the nose as well, kung yung excess sa brush, yun ang gagamitin ko to contour my nose. And then there you go. For the blush, I'll be using today this Careline Oil Control Blush On in the shade Peach Glow. Ang ganda ng color, no? You know what, mga gorgeous? I've been using Careline Oil Control Blush since college days. Ang ginagamit ko nun is yung, I'm not sure if it's Touch of Pink or Charming Pink, pero it's the pink one. So for the highlighter, I'm sure na alam nyo na kung ano tong highlighter na gagamitin ko today. This is the EB Advanced Glow Out Highlighter in the shade Strobe. Ito talaga yung pinaka-favorite ko. This is my second pan. And this one is super pigmented, as in super. See? Kita nyo ba yan? Lagay ako ng konti sa Cupid's bow and then sa aking nose bridge. We're almost done. Kulang na lang tayo ng lipstick. So, medyo feel ko mag-red today. I'll be using this lipstick from Careline. This is their Careline Lippie. And I'm using the shade Happy Ending. First time kong ginamit itong shade na to. Yan. Pag medyo nakakapalan ako, ginagamit ko na yung finger ko para i-blend lahat. So this is the makeup look that I came up with using all products that are cruelty-free. Makeup look that I came up with today, mga gorgeous, and sana nagustuhan niyo ito. And if you did, as usual, do not forget to hit on the thumbs up button below, share this with your friends, and of course, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And of course, ilalagay ko lahat ng products na ginamit ko sa description box below. Thank you for watching, mga gorgeous, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!